Welcome to yet another video from Clarified Better Academy, where we help people working in hotels learn and progress in their career. In this video, we will learn about how to collect payments from guests in a bar. This video is part of the 7-part Steps to Great Beverage Service course that is available to learn for free on the Clarified Better website at academy.clarifiedbetter.com. And if you are new here in this channel, do subscribe to our channel and remember to click the bell icon so that we can keep you posted whenever we post a new video. In this lesson, let me tell you how to collect payment from guests for the service in a bar. In a busy bar, you may not be able to collect payment at the end of the service. In order to do that, you may have to start a tab or collect payment immediately after service. For cash payments, it is very simple. As you deliver the drinks, collect cash and close the check. Continue to offer service on a cash basis when the guest order further drinks or food. At the end of the shift, tally the amount and settle it with the cashier. The other option is to start a tab. To start a tab, ask for the credit card of the guest. Keep the credit card safely with you securely. For all open tabs, print the check immediately as soon as you serve the drink, then write the guest name on top of the check and the table number. That way you will know who ordered the drink. Maintain the checks in a manner you are comfortable with. Usually a box with partitions is used to hold all the bills from a particular table. At the end of the evening, when the guest asks for the bill, total all the bills for the table and swipe the card. So to recap, collecting payment for service in a busy bar can be handled by collecting cash on service or by starting a tab. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We make training videos for people working in hotel industry. All the links to this series of beverage service can be found in the description box below. See you in the next video.